Hello guys and welcome back to...
Hello there and welcome to... Because I'm here. I'm here. I'm not coming back, I'm here.
Well, you might be, because I think this one's actually going up after the other ones.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Can you tell which order we're filming them in? Welcome back to the gift guides. Today we are talking about stocking fillers. So all of the, well, not necessarily stocking fillers, but gifts under £20. So stocking fillers, but also if you're on a bit more of a budget for, or you're buying for your friends and you don't want to spend more than £20, these are our top picks of token gifts this year that aren't rubbish, that you actually might want, that I think are nice anyway.
See, I always feel like this time of year is exciting for me because it's the first time it feels like Christmas when we have to film the gift guides. The only problem is everything that I think I want to buy you, you then put in a gift guide, and because it sells out, I then can't buy you for a gift guide. So
I have to get a separate list for you, Mike. And on a plus side, we don't, because we're filming this at night, because Mike's been at work today, we've got gin and tonics instead of tea this year. Which
back into a G&T.
Great. Mike rang me and was like, if I'm sneaking in, if I'm sneaking in, can you make me a cup of tea? And I was like, even better, I've already made you gin and tonic. Although I've put slightly too many peppercorns in here.
Too many peppercorns? Look at mine. It's
anyway.
I just wanted my gin and tonic. Who's going first?
Anyway, I'm going first because I've got more than you this year.
This year, like every year.
My first recommendation are these velvet hair bows from Estella Bartlett, who do lots of little gifty things. I think these are really sweet. I actually have, especially the black one I think looks so nice in blondes. I think the pink one would look lovely in brunettes. Just, I mean, look lovely in grey. These are £14 each. They're really lovely quality and the bow is quite big. I've got some mini versions of these I got from Zara Kids for River and they look so cute in her hair. She loves them. She's
carried them round and tried to put them everywhere. She keeps finding them.
But I think these would be a really nice little stocking filler. I think quite pretty and also very festive. Like, I feel like velvet hair bows are very kind of Christmassy, but you'd also just useful as well. That's my first gift.
Fair enough. I'm starting with one of my favourites because every morning I go to work needing a cup of coffee.
Do you?
I need a cup of coffee. Need a kick. And the car cup holder sometimes is too small. And it doesn't quite fit.
It's a great story.
So,
what's it gonna be?
What's it gonna be?
I wonder.
A Yeti.
No joke though. This is actually the best brand.
It's got a good lid because it leaks like barely anything at all when you tip it upside down.
It does leak when you tip it upside down. It's not completely waterproof, but it keeps your drinks
super warm, and it's
outrageously
really good size. Cup holder perfect. And for like, if you're like me that you like an OT flat white, then this is almost the perfect size. If you like a seriously large coffee, you might need to have 2 cups.
But these are really good, and this is £20 as well. I also really like this colour. Is it a bit girly? I picked this colour of this one.
No, it's cool.
I really like it.
Same colour as my bike. So I like it.
It is the same colour as your bike.
Unfortunately, can't take it riding.
Cup of coffee on your bike. My next pick. Okay. My next pick are some little Huggie hoops. Again from Estella Bartlett. They have loads of little good kind of gifty bits this year. These are £20 and I feel like they're such a nice price point for a gift. I have to say, I'm not 100% on the piece of card that they come on, and I would probably use like an old jewellery box that I had been gifted before to put them in. But they're really sweet because they have tiny little stars on them, and they just look really pretty on. I really like those a lot. I think they're a good value for money as well. What have you got next, Mike?
So the next one, a bit controversial. It's not one that I will actually have myself because unfortunately, due to my diet these days,
don't eat chocolate.
Don't eat chocolate. Anything that has.
These are so cool.
Oh, but these are awesome. I have witnessed River having one of these and Fleur having one of these, and they are pretty cool. The fact that you pour hot milk all over them in your cup and it melts into hot chocolate.
And there's marshmallows in the middle. So they like make a perfect cup of hot chocolate, and they're actually really delicious too.
Yeah. So I think these are an epic present for your chocolate fiend of a partner, a child, or whatever it is.
I think they're just a good like thing if you don't know what to buy anybody and they like chocolate. I think
the
that's a good
person
one.
that's got everything.
Talking of chocolate and gin, these, if you want to go a bit luxe on your under £20, these are £15 for a box of chocolates, which is a lot. However, gin truffles, it's one of those things. I'm going to give these to my granny for Christmas.
Smash them.
I mean, I would be happy. They also do pistachio flavour, eggnog flavour. It took everything in me not to order all of these limited edition flavours. I added them all to my basket and I was like, can't spend £60 on chocolate.
Can't spend it, but might have.
But might buy some. That's where you can put my stocking. The eggnog ones. Gin and tonic truffles. Or just gin, and it's in collaboration with Sixsmith, so it's going to be good. What have you got next?
What have I got next? And this one's a bit weird. Personally.
You can tell I chose these gifts.
This one, this freaks me out because Fleur does it quite regularly. She's like, "Oh, would you like to do one of them?"
But most guys would love this. Is what I feel.
Don't get me wrong. I've had is it pedicure on your feet?
Yeah.
So I've had it before.
But this is not like a pedicure.
This is not
pedicure. Show what it is.
So it's a foot remover. So you basically put your foot in a bag that's got a load of acid in it, and it removes your feet.
No, it doesn't. It takes like a week, and then all the skin peels off your feet. These are really
Which is why, if you saw a recent video of Fleur, she's got rather red heels.
These
Sneaky
are...
in an Instagram post. I saw them.
These are really like popular for girls, but there's not many brands that do them specifically for boys. These are the Barber Pro ones. They're the
10
same.
times harder.
You can still use them. I think they're slightly bigger. Like the actual sock thing is slightly bigger.
I do have slightly larger.
But I use the men's ones and they're fine. They're really good. They're about £8, so a good little stocking filler. My next suggestion, okay, Mike's going to say it's boring because he did last year when I suggested a jumper care, a shoe care.
You actually, for real?
I am, for real. It's a jumper debobbler.
It's an epic bit of kit.
It's so useful.
Good. It's so good, but like if I got that on Christmas Day, it's like it's like basically I've bought you a jumper razor.
Basically, but it's useful because if you like nice knitwear and you want to take good care of your knitwear, this is really good for debobbling. And like seriously, stockings aren't to be full of like all of the best things.
Yeah, but
Mike is so fussy when it comes to Christmas. Like, I want the best presents only. Like, this is actually really useful, and if they don't have one already, £12. Or you can go for the more traditional double-sided
That's the worst present ever.
No, these are good. This isn't actually, this is a new jumper, it doesn't have bobbles, but they're good for getting rid of bobbles. I'm telling you now, if you like yours, whatever.
I mean, let's
face it. If you like your knitwear,
if you're going to do stockings,
care about your knitwear.
Do stockings right.
It's a cracker, not a stocking.
Crackers in your stockings.
I feel like these are such a good one for adults.
So,
obviously not children.
Anyone over the age of drinking in your country. But if you can even drink. But Fever Tree tonics are epic, and they're partnered with John Lewis Gin and...
Oh yeah, I didn't realise that was a John Lewis gin.
Yeah.
I picked that one because I like the aromatic gin.
Sure
I got peppercorn stuck in my teeth.
Sounded like something else to me.
I like the aromatic tonics. I picked that one. This one's got Sipsmith, and they have lots of...
There we go. I didn't want to say it because I can't.
They have lots of different pairings as well.
Yeah. I mean,
they're £8 each. They're quite pricey, but
pricey. But for a G&T, I don't think so. First thing in the morning, 9 o'clock, crack yourself a G&T on Christmas.
No,
Boom.
not so much because the size of the bottles, I think, do 2 gin and tonics. So are they 50ml? Yeah, they're 50ml, so it's 2 units. So you can do
yes, you're right.
2 gin and tonics, but the tonic water only does 1.
Yeah.
But
you could just have a normal Portuguese / your mum's gin and tonics,
double.
which
it's a double gin and tonic.
Gin with a splash of tonic.
It's too strong for me. But I think these would be really nice if you like. Everyone's going to be having a smaller Christmas than normal. Well, those of you who have a big Christmas are going to be having a smaller Christmas than normal this year. So I feel like
you can share it.
Nice.
You can have that
really
one.
Nice.
I'm having this one.
Next up, I've got a present that would be good for like your mum or your granny. I think this is really nice. This is the Williamson tea, English breakfast tea caddy. Hang on, I'm just holding my gin and tonic, and it's got this.
Hold your gin.
Yeah, please, thank you so much. It's got this really beautiful elephant and star constellation design. I just think it's really pretty, and if you know someone who likes tea, it's a nice little stocking filler for £10.
Great shout for your mum. That
£10, but.
Yeah, but your mum loves tea.
But it's a nice, yeah.
I'm going to finish with a bit of COVID secure. This winter, you must keep COVID safe. So why not keep safe?
Alright, Boris. Boris wouldn't be that serious.
Boris? If I was Boris, I'd be a bit more like this. But we all love Boris, so come on. But this little mask for keeping yourself... And the thing that's nice about this mask is you can actually breathe normally through it. You don't feel like, I'm thinking it's super hot.
Is it actually a good one?
It's a really good mask. Yeah.
Well, you're going to keep it now because you put it on, but
exactly, I'm COVID safe.
I also secretly put this in because I wanted Mike to wear an actual face mask.
What's wrong with my branded face mask?
Mike's got a branded face mask for where he works and he wears it. So I'm wearing it at work, but you wear it when we're like at social occasions, like the wedding that we went to in the summer.
Nothing wrong with that. I'm making sure we're marketing
I'm
to
just
the
like,
world.
you're so embarrassing. So embarrassing.
But this is a really good mask. I think the fact that you can actually breathe through it and it feels like I'm not wearing
it's actually cool as well. Like, it does.
I mean, I'm so down with the kids. The problem is though, okay, do you know the biggest problem is?
What?
Right now, all people are seeing is like the top of my face and my jumper because my mouth's camouflaged and my nose, you can't see it, it's blended in. It's like, where have I gone? What's happened?
You're such a fool. This is from Herschel and it's £15.
Good
My
mask,
next suggestion is a jigsaw puzzle because let's face it, we've got some boring times coming up over Christmas because we can't go to the Christmas parties, and if you want to do a jigsaw puzzle, I thought this one was really cute. I got this from Selfridges, but it's actually by a brand called Gallison. It was £16 and it's got all sorts of cute little fluffy dogs wearing jumpers.
Is that your baby dog?
That's just my baby dog.
Where did that come from, by the way?
Instagram. Have you done all yours?
I'm out.
Oh, I've got one more. This can be, you can do your one. Basically, every year I buy like little personalised letter, tree decorations. Ours here. You hold the R. These are from Oliver Bonas. They're £6.50 each, and they are embroidered with little stars. Super cute. And again, another thing that if you're shopping for somebody who has everything, or a little stocking filler, or even use it on your wrapping and have it as like an extra gift. Not as earrings. That's not a good look. You're such a fool. That is it for the stocking filler gift guide 2020.
How many years of gift guides
some
this
lols,
now?
I was literally just going to say this. I think this is the 11th gift guides. If you want some lols, go back and look. Sam did the first one. Was that the first one or the second one?
First one was Sam.
Oh my god, so funny. But if you want some lols, go back over the years and see our looks change. Especially Mike, who is definitely aging like a fine wine. Anyway, we will see you see you next time. Except for your Boris hair. It's not a good look, mate.
See
you next time.
Stay safe, guys. Bye.
Bye.